Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Reza, and in this video I wanna make a beat. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I actually don't know what I'm gonna do. I was just searching in Instagram, and I found this clip and I really like it, and I just wanna make a beat around it. Maybe not a full beat, cause my PC is weak. I can't, do a lot of, processing on that. But, I just wanna, record this. So, before we jump into the video, I would really appreciate if you like the video, leave a comment, and of course subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Thank you so much. So, let's get into video. Okay guys, so I'm gonna first, play the clip or video that I found from Instagram. If I don't forget, I, leave the link in the description if you wanna go and, check her, Instagram page. I actually checked her out and she's really good. I like, his play skill, and so let's listen to this a little bit. I know she's good. She's really good. She's really good. So first of all, we need to get this, audio clip, this video to, I don't know, to audio file. For example, Wave or MP3. I convert this with Wondershare Uniconverter. I use this app, but of course if you have another app you can use that. And yeah, I convert it and I drop this in my FL Studio. Which one is here? We need the tempo and the key of this song, and there's a bunch of VST plugins that you can get. I don't know, mixed in key, Serato sampler, I don't know, Riff Station, and even if you are that much professional that you can detect, that's really good. But I use this website. If you wanna check this out, it's tunebat.com/analyzer. It's totally free. I mean, you just drag and drop your song, as you can see I did, and it give me the key that it's in G major. It's alt, key. It's 9B. This one is about the circle. I'm not good at music theory, but I remember the circle. In music theory, I don't know. I think it's called circle of fifth. I'm not sure. And this is our BPM 99. The energy. This one. These are locks. You need upgrade your account, but I didn't need those. So we got these 99 and G major. So let's go to our FL Studio. Let's how it's gonna happen. So bring this on 99. Okay, so this is our tempo, and let's listen to this. Okay, if you notice, see, we have empty place in here. Okay, I'm gonna remove. Okay, it's okay. If this happens, just uncheck this one. It's because of that stretch stick. So okay, we're gonna do this. Okay, here maybe it's good. Am I recording? Yeah. Okay, so let's listen to this. Okay, I gotta say I got lucky on this one, because she's definitely professional, and I think this is our really tempo. I mean, let's listen to this again. Yeah, I think this is our tempo. Oh my god, she's really good. Okay, so you want to make a beat with this one. Okay, we got our BPM. This is in the tempo and it's great. And we got our key, which is in G major, but I'm not gonna make it that much complicated, because I don't know. My PC is weak, and if I want to open VSTs and this kind of, it's probably crash. So I'm just gonna show you the basics. Okay, what I'm gonna do if I want to make a beat with this one. Okay, so I'm gonna search for the place that I like. For example, let's listen to this again. I like actually This part that the sax came in, okay, I don't know, saxophone, trumpet, what is it? Okay, I'm gonna delete this. Okay, let's listen to this. Okay, we need 4 bars, or I don't know, 8 bars, and of course we can use, some other, place of the samples that, we can, add some variety to our beats, and, our listener doesn't get bored. Okay guys, so I, choose these, 2 parts, from our, the video and sample that I, load in here, that I pitch those 300 cents, down, and I put them on the stretch mode, and so let's listen to this one. And I also bring the tempo down, I don't know, 80, or let's go down. It's vibe, I mean, it's really good. I love this part. Let's listen to this. Okay, I didn't like this place, this one. If you listen to this, it's not pleasant, I didn't like it, so I will cut this one, okay, and this one, and when I do this, this doesn't work actually. So if we listen to this, it's kinda, it's not on tempo. If we listen to this, let me listen. At the first it's good, but in the middle, I don't know, it's lost. Okay, so let's listen to this with the metronome. You see, it got lost. Okay, we lost it. So I didn't do this one. Okay, I'm gonna, let's listen to this version. Okay, see, we are on the tempo. So how we can do this? I personally did this. I don't know. There is other, way to do that. But if you know, let me know in the comments. I just, delete this one. I choose this place. See, I cut it, and I, make this unique. And of course, let me fix this. Not a stretch. Okay, so let me listen to this. Okay, then I go to stretch and I just stretch this one. The last one that it's not matter, and I think it's gonna fit. I sometimes do this, so let's listen to this. Okay, definitely we have, I don't know, some going on here. Let me bring this one here. Let me listen to this. Okay, and let me bring this one a little bit here. So we are on, and let me listen. Okay, it's on the stretch, and okay, let me try this one and see what's gonna happen to this version. Okay, let's listen. Not tempo. See, I like it. Also, I think there's still, listen to this. Yeah. There's a little bit clicking on. What's going on here? Not you. Okay, let me fix this. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Okay, so let me add, a drum loop and see. It's 70. Okay, do have 70? It's not bad. Let me, use this one and see how it's gonna happen. Nice. How's it's gonna look? Ah. Woo. Nice. Okay guys, so this was our video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something, working with the loops and samples, the video, I don't know, Instagram videos. It can be really fun, especially for me. I really like to, experience something new, making music, making beats with something new that's really new. I mean, for example, this was, a challenge, for me that, make those loops on the tempo. It's really important and it's need a lot of practice, and I'm not, best, I'm not great at this one, but I'm trying to be better, and I'm practice till, I don't know, I hope I'll be good at this one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, let me know what you want to see in the next video, and of course subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Thank you so much. Till the next video, I'm out. Peace.